Hello, I am Pankaj Sharma from PM Expert. In this lesson, we'll understand progressive elaboration and rolling wave planning in project management. First, let's learn progressive elaboration. It means we keep refining the plan as we learn more. Think of it like painting a picture. First a rough sketch, then main colors, and finally the tiny details. Now, let's look at rolling wave planning. It is a specific way to apply progressive elaboration. We plan near-term work in detail, while far future work stays high level. Imagine driving at night. The headlights show the road close to you, but the distant road is only a general direction. Let's compare them quickly. Progressive elaboration is the big idea of refining project information. Rolling wave planning is the scheduling technique that decides when details are added. Why do we use these techniques? They improve accuracy, increase flexibility, and save planning effort. You avoid guessing far in advance and keep the plan realistic as the project evolves. That wraps up progressive elaboration and rolling wave planning. Start broad, refine as you learn, and plan the near future in detail. Thanks for watching.